to another Hostel Diaries vlog. Here I'm Pooja and today I'm going to show you a day in my life, Hostel Diaries edition, basically hostel edition. So this is the second part of my third year कि मैं हॉस्टल डायरीज बना रही हूँ एंड आई एम रियली सॉरी दैट लास्ट वीक मैंने बिल्कुल भी ना ट्यूसडे ना फ्राइडे वीडियो पोस्ट नहीं की बट आई वॉज रेगुलरली पोस्टिंग द शॉर्ट्स. But yeah, I am really sorry. I will be consistent now. Actually, I was very busy doing my assignment, so I wasn't able to do anything else. Like, I wasn't even literally able to talk to my family members. So, मुझे माफ कर देना guys. But let's get consistent again. So, let me update you about my life. हमारे एक हफ्ते में midterm exams शुरू हो रहे हैं, and I have a lot of studying to do because I haven't studied like the whole first one, like 1.5 month में बिल्कुल नहीं पढ़ी and 1.5 month over हो चुका है. But yeah, what we can do now, but yeah, I'm just gonna study now. So this vlog is gonna include what I do in my hostel and basically what is my routine usually on weekends. Usually या तो मैं series watching करती हूँ if I didn't had my exams, or either I do some activity, or either I study, or either I do tidbits bits of the things, romanticize the little things in my hostel life. So that's about the hostel life basically. So today is gonna be the mixed up vlog where I'm gonna study, we're gonna do some activities that are gonna make us feel better about our life, because currently I have been not doing emotionally fine. So we're gonna do that for our own self. And yes, I am very worried because मेरी exams की बिल्कुल भी preparation नहीं हुई है, but we're gonna start it. कल से मैंने preparation start की है थोड़ी बहुत, but yes, we're gonna do that because we always do that because we are studying in college from last 2 years. We know how to do it. So इस बार भी हम कर लेंगे guys. So yeah, without any further delay, let's get started with the hostel diaries. Before starting, let me tell you अब मैं क्या करने वाली हूँ. So I'm gonna go and do my breakfast in the mess because I'm very hungry and I can't live without my breakfast. So we are gonna do that. But before that, I'm gonna hydrate myself with water because why not? So this is a reminder, baby girl, and drink your water. Now it's time to go for breakfast. So without any further delay, let's go and do our breakfast because we have a lot of work to do and even I have to take a proper shower today. So yeah, let's see आज हम लेते हैं या फिर कर लेते हैं, but yeah, let's go and get started with the vlog.
One eternity later.
हेलो गाइस, क्या आप लोगों को मेरी शक्ल देख के पता चल रहा है कि मैं क्या कर रही थी? ओके, आई टुक लाइक 3-4 hours of sleep because I wasn't feeling well and I don't know मुझे weekends पे क्या हो जाता है, but okay, I have slept a lot and now it's lunch time. I can't believe that, and I don't think I'm gonna go for lunch because I don't feel like going. And yes, I don't know how I am exactly feeling about my life right now, but I have to get back on track. By the way, there is a good news that my doctor has allowed me to go to gym, so I'm gonna join the gym soon. So the happiest feeling in the world for a gym rat for a gym bro that I'm going back to gym, and that is the happiest feeling in the world. But abhi jaise mere exams aa rahe hain, I have to concentrate on so many things together, but we always do that. We're going to do the same thing, we are going to do that. And yes, so yeah, I don't know what I have to do right now. I'm just gonna sit for 5 minutes and think about कि मुझे क्या करना है. उसके बाद मैं आप लोगों से बात करती हूँ या मैं आप लोगों को दिखाती हूँ कि मैं क्या करने वाली हूँ.
A few minutes later.
Hello guys, so let me update you. So I have applied oil in my hairs and I got my eyebrows and upper lips done, so I'm feeling more better than before. And other than that, I just did my high tea and भाई मेरे को लिटरल समझ नहीं आ रहा, ना मेरा पढ़ने का मन कर रहा है ना मेरा कुछ और करने का मन कर रहा है. बट नाउ आई हैव जस्ट आस्क्ड ChatGPT कि भाई मेरा स्केड्यूल बना के दे कि मैं क्या करूँ. सो मैं उसके अकॉर्डिंग चलने वाली हूँ अभी. सो अभी उसने मेरे स्केड्यूल में मेरी एक्टिविटी ऐड किया है. एंड लेट मी टेल यू व्हाट आई एम डूइंग इन द एक्टिविटी. सो आई हैवंट पेंटेड इन अ long time. So today I'm going to do some painting for like 40 minutes. So without any further delay, let's go and do some painting and let's see आगे हम धीरे धीरे क्या करते हैं. अभी के लिए it's painting time, so let's do it.
A few moments later. One hour later. The next day. The next day.
Hello guys, your girl is back with another day. So let me update you. भाई मेरी a day in my life का few days in my life क्यों बन जाता है मेरे को भी समझ में नहीं आता. But guys मैंने उस दिन बहुत कोशिश की मैं vlog करूँ, but one of my juniors were not feeling well, so I went to her room and had a long conversation with her. And उसके बाद आके मेरा बिल्कुल भी पढ़ने का मन नहीं किया, so I didn't study. So दैट्स हाउ माई लाइफ लुक्स लाइक. मेरा आधा टाइम पढ़ने का ही मन नहीं करता, बट कोई बात नहीं यार, अब तो पढ़ना पड़ेगा, ज़बरदस्ती पढ़ना पड़ेगा बिकॉज एग्जाम्स एक हफ्ते में अब. एंड अदर देन दैट कल संडे था. आई डिडंट व्लॉग yesterday much because I went out with my junior friends, so it was a wonderful experience. So yeah, I enjoyed a lot. And other than that, today is Monday. I had my classes. I'm done with my classes. I got some laundry and आज मैंने अपनी जिम की फीस भी भर दी है. So this is gonna be the first day of my gym after 1 year of recovery from my surgery. So oh my god, I still get emotional when I think of the day I got the surgery done. But I'm just so proud of myself for everything I went through, and I'm still strong standing here in front of you guys and telling you this that I've gone through that. But yes, so आज हमारा होने वाला है जिम का पहला दिन. So we're gonna also go and do the gym. And आज मुझे लिटरल इतना सारा पढ़ना है ना कि मेरे को प्रेशर हो रहा है कि मैं क्या क्या करूँ आज. एंड yes, तो सबसे पहले हम रखेंगे अपनी वापस लॉन्ड्री बिकॉज लॉन्ड्री क्लीन होके आ गए कपड़े. एंड वो सबसे पहले अलमीरा पे लगाएंगे, अपना थोड़ा सा रूम समेटेंगे एंड देन विल सी व्हाट विल डू नेक्स्ट. सो अभी के लिए मेरे पास सिर्फ यही काम है, सो लेट्स डू इट.
One hour later. Two hours later.
Hello guys, so welcome back. So right now I just did my gym for the first time. Oh my god, like in this year you can say for the first time. And oh my god, I can't believe it, bhai. I loved gym and I'm very grateful I can go back to gym and do it because I love that place. I just genuinely love that place. अभी मैं वापस आई हूँ and I just took a shower and I also got my dinner in the lunch itself because dinner का time ख़त्म हो जाता otherwise. So yeah, आज मैंने जिम में ज़्यादा शूट नहीं किया because I was just concentrating on the gym because I was just enjoying the first day and processing that I haven't done it and I have to make the progress now. So right now I'm just gonna do my dinner and then we're gonna go and just study. So yeah, let's go and do the dinner and watch something and then we are gonna get back to our track and study.